So this is how much YouTube Shorts paid me for the 3 videos that I posted on my Faceless channel. Now the thing is, ever since I got monetized under my Faceless channel, I did not post any shorts. So these shorts were posted when I created that's my channel. So if you are a short creator out there, maybe you have a channel that you are posting only shorts and you're wondering, can I actually make money out of this? The thing is, just have a US audience and you can as well make money. So I'm going to be sharing with us how much I made from these 3 videos. I think about 2 went viral and one is just a normal views you can get as a short creator, because I have some students, when I mean million views, they are pulling million views on their shorts. That is just one advantage of YouTube Shorts. You can go viral anytime, you can pull any amount of view. But the question is, are you in the right niche, and how can I even make money as a short creator? So try your best to make sure you pay attention. Now with that much being said, let's dive straight into my YouTube studio. So hi my loves, and welcome back once again to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to Life of Princess Chiamaka. Yeah, on this particular channel, all what we talk about here is YouTube paycheck, how much you can actually make on YouTube, real facts, okay, and some motivational videos to keep you going with some paycheck vlog. So if this sounds like a channel you might be interested in, or sound like something you might want to be seeing always, please make sure to do well to subscribe and turn on the bell notification so that you can be part of this amazing family. Okay, so the thing is, on YouTube here, you can literally earn money through 3 ways. You can earn money from your long form videos, you can earn money from YouTube Shorts, you can earn money from going live. So whichever one you choose to do, you can make money. I've come across some Faceless channels. They don't post long video, they don't post short video, they only post, that is, they only go live. And will you tell me that these channels are not making money? Of course they are making money from their live stream, because they pull millions, thousands of views from their live streaming. So whichever one you pick is good to go. That is why I do not advise anybody here on this YouTube space. I won't tell you, hey, stop posting shorts, hey, shorts is going to kill your channel, kill this. No. The only thing is, if you decide to do it the wrong way, then you're going to ruin everything on your channel. If you need more information about this, you can check out this video on my main channel. It's going to really open up your mind on so many things here on YouTube. Okay, so that is not even what this video is all about. I'm going to be sharing with us how much I made from the 3 YouTube shorts I posted on my Faceless channel. Okay, so before we even go straight to my studio, I actually private the 3 videos for about a month, if not a month, going to 2 months now. So these videos have not really made any current revenue. These videos has not made any current revenue. So it's the revenue that it has been able to accumulate since early February. That is from last year I got monetized till last 2 months ago. So had it been that these short videos were live, maybe the earnings should have been doubled, because these videos just kept on going viral for no reason. Even though I do not want them to go viral, because they are just short, and I posted them, let me just say, I posted them by mistake, because I was just trying to get that audience faster. So that's just one mistake you should not make as a YouTuber. If you want to grow a short form channel, go ahead and grow it, and if you want to grow a long form channel, go ahead and grow it. Okay, so we have talked too much. Let's just go straight into my YouTube studio right now. So now from on the screen here, you can see it. This is the first shot, this is the second shot, this is the third shot, this is the fourth shot. Okay, and if you notice, the 4 of them, they are all private. Yes, I private all of them because I do not really need them on this channel. So somehow affecting my long form video. So let us go through the analytics of this first shot. This is this one that currently has 159 points. Okay, 159k views. Now from this screen here, you can still see it that this video visibility is on private, and this video was posted as of early last year when my channel itself when I newly started uploading videos on my channel. So we're not going to be going into any details, but I just wanted to check out the audience that actually engaged with this video. They're mainly from USA, United States. So that is one thing that spiked up the earning of this particular short. Now let's go to the revenue. This short made me $13. God knows that I was never expecting it, because I had posted this short. I think that my Faceless channel, I started that channel as of April or May last year. I really can't remember. So I got monetized within 3 months. That was around October. Yeah. And I posted these videos around that April. So have you seen that this video, in fact this morning, this particular video made, I'm still surprised till now. So this was what I got, $13.47 for a video that got 150 something k views. Okay, now let's go over to the next video. That means if you're posting short, there is still hope you can make money. I have students that just post only shorts and they're making a lot of money. What you just need to do is to double down. You know, if a that is, you know, if a channel that posts only long form video is posting just one video in a day, or 2 videos in a week, or 3 videos in a week, you posting shorts have every chance of posting 5 in a day. So have you seen that? That is one of the way you can make more money, especially when you monetize. Now the second video is 42k views. Let's go through it. Let's go through the revenue. Now the audience is mainly USA. Why? Because this is a faceless channel, a prayer channel. So I tend to get only USA more as my audience. Now this particular one made me $4. $4.08. So let's go over and check the third one that has gotten 269k views. The bad thing is that these videos has actually gotten these views like more even before I got monetized. So this particular one made me $19.61. Now imagine imagine I left this video public. I should have made like ×2 of this amount, because the videos over 1k views daily. My subscriber count was going up, but the reason why I put them on private is simply because it was affecting my long views. I literally stopped getting views, and I need my long form videos to get views more than my shorts. That was why I wanted to delete them, but I said no, it's going to be wrong of me to do that. I just private it. It's still the same thing as deleting it, but I just didn't want it off my channel, because I might as one day decide to bring it live and still private it again. Yeah, so let us just check this fourth video. This particular one here, this one has gotten how many views? Okay, just 1.9k. I'm not sure if this one made any money, because right from the day I posted it to today, it has been performing so bad. 8 cents. I'm not even surprised. Yeah, so this is the evidence that you can actually make money from YouTube Shorts as a faceless creator. Okay, but one thing I will always advise is, if you're up here on YouTube, try to always pick out the one you're going to do. If it is YouTube Shorts, stick to it. If it is long form video, stick to it. If you want to do the both, then try to balance the equation. Do not post short more when you're trying to balance the both. Make sure you build an audience for your long form content, because building an audience for short video is very, very super easy, because they tend to have more audience on YouTube here. If you study YouTube statistics, or you go through their policy, you will see it. Short videos tend to have this larger audience more than long form. That is why you can just open your channel. Once you post few short, boom, they go viral. Subs start coming in, views skyrocketing. But it's not always the same for long form. Long form, you have to build. You have to build. That is why at the end of the day, the long form pay more. Why? Because advertisers placing ads. That is why the long form video revenue is crazily high. Had it been it on my long form content, I got this 150 something k views. Now we're talking about over 1,000, or even over a 1.5, that is $1,500, because I have a video that is around 70k views on this my long form. that 70k views has fetched me over $500. Now imagine when I'm making almost 180k views. That is a lot of money. So have you seen the difference? The difference is so clear. But the thing still remains is not everybody that can do long form content. So if you're doing the short form content, I'm not going to advise you to stop. Stick to it, okay? But try to strategize well, get the right audience, and you will still make money. Every You can make money from anywhere, anyhow on YouTube here, but just make sure you're doing it the right way. Okay, so that is going to be bringing us to the end of this particular video. If you want me to make any video on any topic, or on any amount of views you would want to know, just make sure to drop it in the comment section, and I'll be with you in my next video. Okay, so if you find this video helpful in any way, please make sure to do well to like this video, drop me your comments, and lastly, don't forget to share so that I can get a lot of other YouTubers out there. And as always, I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.